Hey guys, American Infidel here, and today we are shooting the 760 Pump Master. Very fun gun. I don't know if it could kill anything, but it's really fun for messing around with. So, let's see what we can do. And you just load one in by pulling this all the way back, push it forward, and then pump it how many times you want. Let's go for 5 pumps first. And that one. Safety first. I have no idea where I hit, but again, you couldn't see it. But again, this is the Pump Master 760, and it works really well. Comes with this little cartridge, and that can hold, they make little darts about this big. I have no idea where they are right now, but what you can do is put pellets in them. Any kind of pellets will work. Right now I got the 4.5 millimeter competition pellets and the 4.5 millimeter Precision Max pellets from Daisy, and the competition are from Crossman. So let's see what works best. Let's see. Let's load two Crossman, 2 Daisy. If I can get this open. Jesus. I'll be right back. Okay, 2 for 2. How about it? Daisy, flat nose Precision Max, and I guess these ones are pointed Precision Max and flathead Precision Max. Yeah. Let's put 2 flatheads in first, I guess. If I can remember which way these go in. Yeah, here, this way. And then 2 pointed. I can open it. There we go. Not have the same problem over again. My life. Okay. Load them up right in there like that. And this goes in like so. Push that forward. How many pumps do you want? Let's go for 10. 4, 5. And this time, I'm going to remember to point you guys at the target. That little bunch of beasts down there. Got some dinosaurs to take out. See if the Pump Master can do the job, eh? I think I'm way too high. Let's see. About there. And then you just put the next one in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's see, get this raptor. I hit him, I guess. And next is the flat nose. I guess I have to put the pointed in first. Okay. I think that's 10. Flat nose now. Go for that little guy back there. That was a hit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all the way forward, and it's the little triceratops there. Got him. And yeah, you can do that, or you can just take the clip out, and then this little knob. Well, let me get on the other side of the camera, that way I know you're seeing what I'm talking about. This little knob right here, pull it back, take it forward until you see all of those BBs in there. Then you put it back forward, and all those BBs in there, and then you pull this back, this little thing here, back. There's a magnet on it that grabs them, and you put that all the way forward, and you click how many times you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go for the elephant. Hit. Again, pull it back, pull it forward. Aim for the little raptor again. I saw him move, I think. And since I'm in Oregon here, let's aim one of the cows in the back. Missed him. Okay, that's fine. But really fun rifle there. Get you guys unhooked here. Yeah, right there. It says 760 Pump Master. And yeah, it is a pump action. There is a slide, there is that. And you do have to refill that every once in a while. The only complaint I could give to it is it takes a lot of work to have fun with it. You have to really not care. Because after a while it gets tiring. But if you have it on the right peg, it is pretty darn accurate. Didn't get the cows, but meh. Okay. Well, this has been American Infidel with the Pump Master 760. Tell me what you want to see in future videos with it, and tell me what you want to see me shoot. Maybe send me something to shoot. I don't care. Just tell me something. I'm trying to find out what to do.